This will be a quick review and unboxing video of an Addiesdive Quartz watch that I purchased on AliExpress for about $35 US, including shipping and tax. It's going to ship in a hard shell plastic case. Inside the case, you're going to get the watch. You will receive a guarantee card, an instruction manual, and a bracelet resizing tool. Let's take a look at the watch. This is an Addiesdive model MY-H3-C, which is an homage to a Rolex Yacht-Master. Now this watch has a black dial and a silver bezel insert. Dimensions of this watch has a 40mm diameter bezel. Case diameter, including the crown, is 45 millimeters. Lug to lug is 48 millimeters. But if we include the male solid end lengths, we're looking at 53 millimeters. Case thickness, including the crystal, 13 millimeters. And a lug width of 20 millimeters. This watch features a 120-click unidirectional bezel, a screw-down crown, which is signed with the Addies logo, a screw-down case back. Now you do need a special tool to open this, or possibly a rubber ball. You will need that in order to change the battery on this Quartz movement, which is a MY-H3-C 2115. We've got a magnifying cyclops at 3. This uses a standard mineral crystal, so it is not sapphire at this price point. So the top of the case is brushed. The sides are highly polished. The bracelet's also fully brushed, except for the ends, which are highly polished. Clasp is unsigned, brushed, has a safety latch, push button to release. This is a stamped clasp assembly, which features 3 holes for micro adjustment. And the links are held together with standard pins. Let's take a look at the bezel action. Actually, very little back play. And it does seem to line up pretty well. So I'm actually very happy with the alignment of this bezel insert. Now this watch does feature BGW9 lume on the hands and the hour markers. Now there's no lume on the bezel insert, but that's typical of the Yacht-Master style watch. And here is a wrist shot of my 6.5-inch wrists. And here's a side-by-side comparison to the other Addiesdive Quartz watch that I have in my collection and reviewed on my channel. The one on the left is the Kermit or Starbucks style Rolex Submariner Homage. And from what I can tell, these are the exact same watch except for the bezel insert. The other difference between these two watches is the finishing of the bracelet. So you can see that the Submariner style has polished center links and the Yacht-Master style has fully brushed links. And I actually prefer the fully brushed look compared to the polished look. So if you like the look of the Yacht-Master, I highly recommend this watch. It's very comfortable to wear. You're getting a lot of quality with this watch. You're getting stainless steel construction, getting a Japanese MY-H3 quartz movement, excellent lume, a screw down crown and screw down case back, a high quality bracelet. So for the money, I think this would be pretty hard to beat. If you have any questions, please leave them down below, and thank you for watching.